Here is software detail, and I will show you how to create HP bootable USB for DMI serial number update. First, you have to make bootable DMI. Click on that and run as administrator, and run. After that, I will show you the file. Here is file is running, and click any key, and USB is already attached, and enter the drive. Drive is one, and here is uh, asking for the format. Yes, for format it. Yes, delete all the data, or USB is formatting. And after that, I'll show you the file detail and bootable detail. Enter the image, use drive. 1, press 1, and here is writing configuration file for the drive. This is the method for the making USB, bootable USB for the
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants.
After creating the bootable USB, plug it into the system where you want to add the serial number.
Show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Boot from the USB by pressing F9 and then follow the instructions shown in the video. You can verify the mentioned build ID and features by details on the HP Part Surfer website.
Nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. I feel nauseous, it's only worth it if you work for it. Never had a lot of shit, it's only worth it if you work for it. Had to work hard, struggle just to stop till they hear me now. Had to rise up just so they could stop till I wear the crown. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no.
As demonstrated in the video, you may need to boot from the USB multiple times to complete the process.
It takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters. They're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Finally, you can see that the serial number and other details have been updated successfully. Thank you so much for watching. Please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.